I'm deeply honored to be invited by Duhok International Film Festival to come to your festival and to serve on the jury for the Kurdish films, and also that you're screening a film I made a long time ago, of which I'm very proud. I was the producer through my own company and co-writer on The Killing Floor, which tells a little-known story of African-American and white workers, mainly from Eastern Europe, who struggled to build an interracial union in the Chicago stockyards during World War I. I feel we have a lot in common. I have seen many of the Kurdish films that were played in the Kurdish Film Festival in Berlin, and I know that the Kurdish people face a good deal of oppression, censorship, and even outlawing of your language and your culture. And in the US, we face something, it seems much milder, but it's also rather effective. It's a silencing of the stories of the struggles of our working people, indigenous people, Black people, and of course women also, in the media and also in schools.